So today in the video, we're gonna be making a mint coffee face scrub. I ran out of the one that I use all the time, so I thought I would just make my own until mine comes back in the mail. It is catered towards my skin type because we're using coconut oil and jojoba oil, but if you have combination oily or dry, I would just look up which carrier oils are best for your skin type, and then message me if you have any questions. All right, let's get started. You're gonna need coconut oil, coffee grounds, jojoba oil, peppermint essential oil, mine is by Young Living, a container to put it in, and a spoon or a microwave safe bowl or cup so you can melt all the coconut oil. Step one is we're going to melt coconut oil. So you're gonna take a couple of spoonfuls. Then we're gonna melt this for about 15 to 20 seconds. Next, we're gonna add in a few teaspoons of coffee grounds and stir. A little bit of jojoba oil. Add 5 drops of peppermint oil. Next, add the coffee grounds and the coconut oil using a funnel. Now just go put this mixture in the refrigerator so it can sort of solidify. I left mine in for about 20 minutes. Hey everyone, this is Kate. I am back to start filming you some more DIY videos, except I changed the name of the channel. So instead of Kate Creates, you can now find us at Lavender and Pixie Dust. We are at the corresponding Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook page. Still not on Twitter because I still can't figure that out, but you know, what are you gonna do? I know it's been a long time since we've put out a video, but I switched jobs, I moved, my husband switched jobs, so my editor doesn't work for me anymore. He still lives here though, he just doesn't edit my videos. I had a baby. Say hi, Millie. So I am ready to start putting out content for you guys again, and if you have any questions or DIYs that you want to do, just shoot me a message. You know the routine, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for sticking around and continuing to subscribe, and I hopefully will be putting them out on a better schedule.